Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best work from home jobs for people that are shy. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, before I tell you the best work from home jobs, I just want to say this. Thank you for getting me to 5,855 subscribers. We're so close to 6,000 guys. So let's get there. Let's get there before the end of this month of April. Let's get there so I can give away this free money. But I really appreciate you guys checking out my videos, sharing them, liking them, and help me get more views and more subscribers. Now guys, what I'm going to talk about today is 2 work from home jobs that you can start right now and start making some good money. And if you're shy or you're an introvert, these jobs are perfect for you. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this first site and show you these work from home jobs. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first site and the name of this site is Rev. So on this site, they convert audio and video to text. So humans working side by side with the best speech to text AI. So as you can see, they provide transcription jobs here, captures, and foreign subtitles. So what you're going to do, guys, is become a transcriptionist or captioner, or be able to, if you have a foreign language, different languages, you can do foreign subtitles work. So once you come to this website, go ahead and scroll down here and you're going to click on Become a Freelancer. And it's going to take you to this page and it's going to tell you a little bit more about the freelancing job. So freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Earn money transcribing or capturing from home. So it's free to sign up, guys. You just sign up, but you're going to have to go through a little test as far as typing. So if you're a good typist, you have nothing to worry about. But if you're not a good typist, guys, you need to work on your typing. Now, let's learn a little bit more about what they're offering. So create a flexible work schedule. Our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. So choose from hundreds of jobs and get paid weekly. And payouts are through PayPal. So guys, all you need is a PayPal account and you can get paid. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit about the positions. So transcriptionist, so what you're going to do is listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, then label the speaker. And they pay anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio video minute. And the next one is a capture. So all you do with a capture is watch video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, sync typed audio with video. And the pay range on this one ranged from 54 cents to $1.10. Now guys, if you want to make a little bit more than that, and you can know how to speak different languages, right here you can become a subtitler, which is the foreign subtitles, and they pay anywhere from $1.50 to $3 per audio video minute. Guys, you can make some good money, especially if you're a good typer. You can make some good money doing this job, and you don't have to speak or talk to anybody. All right, now let's just scroll down here and look at the testimony right quick. So this person says, my very first week, I made $70. So this person right here made $70 their very first week working on this site. Guys, this is a good opportunity. So guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this website. So if you want to go ahead and apply for this work at home job, go ahead and go to reb.com. So let me go to the second website. Okay, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Online Writing Jobs. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about it. So what is Online Writing Jobs? Online Writing Jobs is a freelance writing service that allows writers of all skill levels and experience to write online. So all you got to do, guys, on this is write. So you're going to be writing articles, and you're going to get paid to write these articles. So let's just scroll down here and look at some more of these questions. They frequently asked questions, guys. So does it cost anything to join? Not only does it cost nothing to join, but it will never cost you anything to be part of the community. So you don't have to worry about paying anything or anything like that. This is legit. And can I work remotely? Which is what you guys looking for, working remotely. And yes, in fact, working remotely is the only current option for our writers. Now, here's a very, very important question you guys want to answer for, which is, how much will I be paid? So it says here, we pay around $15, and some projects will pay as much as $50. Guys, you're going to get paid $15 to $50 just writing articles. And if you love writing, this is perfect for you. Perfect. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website here. Oh, let me go ahead and tell you one other thing. Of course, you get paid through PayPal. So make sure you get that PayPal account so you can get paid from this site and the other site. All right, guys. So if you want to go ahead and apply for this job, go ahead and go to onlinewritingjobs.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these sites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right now in the comments below. That's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. Okay, guys, before I go, I want to go ahead and give another shout out. I'm going to try to give a shout out every video. So I want to give a shout out to this person. I'm going to flash their comment on the screen right about now. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for your comment. Hope you have subscribed, and please keep sharing and liking all my videos. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys' support. Let's keep going. Let's run those numbers up. Let's get to 6,000 before the end of April. And let's just keep going up to the top, guys. That's what it's about. Us going to the top and me keep providing you this important information so you can increase your finances. All right, guys. That's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. And like I always say, have a prosperous day.